Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving deep into the most advanced and fastest platform for meme coin trading. We will dive deep into the Alph AI. This isn't just another DEX. Alph AI combines AI-powered analytics, smart wallet tracking, real-time trading signals, and lightning faster executions of 300 milliseconds or less. So guys, stay tuned. So as you can see guys, in front of you is Alph AI. Before we continue, you need to know that I'm not your financial advisor. Nothing in this video is financial advice, and everything that I'm doing here is for your education and for your entertainment. With that said, let's continue, and here you can see Alph AI, most advanced and fastest platform for crypto trading. This is DEX but on another level, and the implementation of the AI is on another level. So first thing guys, that you can see, it's all-in-one tool trading design for crypto traders who wants to both the speed and also the intelligence. And here is what actually set it apart from the others: lightning fast and secure transactions. So traders execute as fast as 300 milliseconds. That's faster than most major DEXs. On the other side, multi-chain support, so they support 5+ layers, so Sol, BCC, X layer, Ethereum, and Plasma, which is actually very hot right now. They have 5.6 billion total value locked. They're on number 6 ranking after Tron, which is amazing. So they have AI-driven narrative analysis. So this system scan market sentiment and trends to identify hot tokens early. Also, gold token detector, which helps you find potential tokens with a 70% historical win rate, which is also cool. They have cable tracker, which is the most important feature that I actually like. So cable tracker, this is exclusive to the Alph AI. It identifies, tracks hidden whale groups, showing what the top 5 cabals are buying or selling every 24 hours, which can show you, so you can see if they are just bought, that means that potential pop is coming, or if they sold, you can see that you can expect the drop in the price. So that's amazing insider information. They have also limit orders, token sniping, and trend tracking, so all of that built into one interface that is actually very cool and user friendly. So plus there is something more, that is you can also refer to a friend, and Alph AI gives you up to 49.5% cashback, the highest in the industry. Here you can see, it can look a bit confused, but I will go through the platform so you can understand everything. First guys, let's compare it with some other platforms that are similar to them, and you'll understand why they are different, they're built different. So on first guys, we will compare it with Mavex, with GMGN.ai, and also against Axiom. So let's say that they have much faster execution than all of them. So 300 milliseconds is what Alph AI is offering. Axiom 500 milliseconds, seconds, GMGN also around 500 milliseconds, and Mavex is 1 second. So you are losing in time, which is really important if you want to trade meme projects. Referral cashback, it's 40 to 49.5%. On the other side, referrals of the Axiom GMGN are from 30, 10, and 25%. So they are winning in that battle. Plasma and X layer supported, it's more than any other. Narrative AI is also included that others don't have. Also smart money and QL signals also in there, then others don't include, and cable tracker, which is exclusive stuff, and that's something that completely separates them from other platforms for meme crypto trading. So when you understand how great this is, so it's clear that Alph AI isn't just faster, it's also much smarter. So you're not just reacting to the market, you're actually predicting it. So let's go to the platform guys, where you can understand how it looks. So when you log in, the interface is really straightforward. I can also show you how the Telegram bot is looking. So guys, here you can see how it looks. Alph AI trading bot is right here. I was just checking something before I explain you how it works. So from here guys, if you want, you can create a deposit where you will be able to and stay connected in your platform on when you click here. Once you do that, so just by depositing it, also the same thing you can do on the platform, which is actually cool. From here guys, you can do a bunch of different things. You can switch the chains, you can check the wallet, copy trading, limit order, which is also cool stuff. So they all are also offering you limit orders. Language is there, and also you can add a bot to the group. Also, what is also cool that I'm also in love is right here. So they have Alph AI signals both for Solana and also for the BNB. So here you can see how it works. There are messages all the time, which is actually cool stuff. So from here, guys, you can just click buy now. You set your slippage and everything else. But don't forget, guys, trading is very catchy, especially if you want to trade meme coins. So have that in mind. You can lose your money instantly, so you need to know what you're doing. I'm here to explain you how this works so you can start managing your risk and try to trade if you're interested into something like this. So once you do that, I'm going back here, guys, and from here, when you click Alph AI, you'll be directed straight to this place. So this is how Alph.ai actually works. Here, guys, the first thing that you can see, they have the signal page, they have the trending tokens, that is right here. So trending tokens set here. You can see the meme index. Is it a neutral? Is it greed, or is it fear? So it depends on which hour you also set it. So you can choose between different time frames: 1 hour, 6 hour, and also you can set 12 and 24 hours, which is actually great. In this part, you can go and switch to different blockchains and where you are willing to do that. So I'm in love with the Sol part because here you can see 24 hours Cabal top 5, and you can see how much the net buy is against the market cap, how much percentages of the holding of the token they have, which is actually cool, and you can see how it works. For the Trump token, you can also see, and you can set all the filters depending on what you want to see from the platform. Also, guys, right here you can see P1, P2, and P3, the positions that you want to enter, and also right here you can set the amount of the trade that you are entering, how much you want to invest. Here you can see 0.1 fast executions. So on this side you can deposit and withdraw. So if you want to deposit money once you connect it, this is how it works. Very simple. Just send some amount to the wallet address that is set and you will have money in there. So that's how great it is. So signal page is this place, guys. It's a really cool stuff. You can see the time frame in the up part and when the signals set, which is also amazing. Here you can see 31x, 29x, and you can see how somebody bought or sold. Here you can see it's called also the quick trading, which means that you can buy with 0.1, 0.2, 0.5 sold or 1 sold. Everything depends. Today gems, you can also see it right here. Gold gems right here, 29x, 31x. So everything is explained very well. You just need to understand. So you need to have some time. I'm trying to explain you where you can find some things, but you need to divide some time for this to understand the platform and to see what suits you and your trading if you're interested into something like this. So this is for diligence, for somebody who wants to start earning in trading memes. I'm in love with this stuff. It's very risky. Have that in mind, and don't forget, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm here to explain you how something works. All financial decisions are strictly on you. So signal is there, the trending part is right here. What is cool, guys, you can see the newest or the trending tokens. So it depends which one you want to choose. Also, guys, you can see percentages, the prices right now, 24 hours volume, KL views, you can see it right here. Important part, Cabal net buy, you can also see it right here. So is it bought or sold? That's also amazing. Here you can see 4.3 million Cabal net buy, Cabal holders on the other side, which is really important to know. If there is a lot of Cabal holders and the percentage of their holding is high, that means that these tokens have potential to rise. When you see also on the other side, you have migration ratio. That's important stuff. Migration ratio is showing if the money is coming in or moving out. If that's high, that means that there is probably going to be some downtrend for some tokens. That's how it works. So that's for me, I'm here to explain you how things work and how you can do it. So here you can see the trade part, which is also something truly amazing. From here, guys, you can choose between different tokens. They have an amazing platform, and here you can see Cabal holders, which is cool. Holders right here. Bubble analysis, you can also check it. Positions, your positions if you had any limit order. Also amazing stuff, just like you are doing this on a centralized exchange. So that's why I'm in love with Alph.ai. Quick trading is right here. You can set the amount how much you are willing to do. You can sell the same. Advanced trading, P1, P2, or P3, the positions that you can set it. Here you can see souls. I have 0 souls, so for the purpose of the video I'm just explaining you. I don't want to do any trades because I'm not your financial advisor. So bunch of tools on this side, something like in a trading view, which is actually really cool. So you can also move this and set how you're willing to do it, how you want to have. I mean, you can also expand it if you're interested in something like this to do some analysis. That's how it works. Trading tokens I mentioned. Xtalk is also right here. This is also cool stuff where you can see also the same market cap holders. And you can see volume, which is really important stuff. If there is a lot of volume, there is potential to something go higher. Smart wallet is also right here. This is truly amazing place. Just wait for it to be so smart wallet, this is something truly amazing. Here you can see somebody's P&L, how much they worked in the previous 7 days, in the 30 days P&L, and you can copy their trades, which is also amazing stuff. You can also, don't forget, as I mentioned, you can switch between different blockchains. So here you can see, you can click copy and you will be directed there. KOL is right here. Early sniper is there. Long-term investor, meme expert, degen, AI agent, expert, and also conservative investors. So that's how it works. That's how it is, and have that in mind. Do the research on the platform, guys. It's really important. Also, you have the tutorial right here for everything if you want to understand it better. So meet Alpha Essence. You can also see Alpha Academy, so how to create a wallet, how to deposit, how to trade with Alph Bot, which is cool, how to withdraw from Alph address, how to connect. Everything is explained very well. I cannot set everything in one video, guys. So you can see my wallet from my Telegram is connected. If you want to deposit the money, it's very simple. So you can also do, if you want to withdraw the money, right here, guys, you need to do the two-factor authentication, bind it now, and that's it. So that's how simple it actually is. So I want to talk about features that they are offering. So first, guys, important stuff, cable checker and 24-hour cable top, as I mentioned on the trending part. So it's right here. This identifies powerful whale groups called cabals behind the tokens that you can instantly see if the project is a whale controlled, if whales are buying or dumping it, and get early warnings for potential rugs or exit. Also, AI token analysis is also there. So this uses sentiment, volume spikes, and wallet flows to detect hidden gems before they explode. Basically, it's like having 24/7 AI assistant scanning a blockchain for alpha. So that's how it is. That's how great that is. Also, you have the meme index in this part. So in this section, additional score tokens have viral potential, so letting you catch early meme trends before they hit social medias. Together, these tools give Alph AI traders an edge no other platform can actually offer, and that's why I'm in love with this stuff. I talked about the migration, guys. I talked about the trade. I talked about the Xtalk smart wallets where you can copy the trades, which is something truly amazing. You can also go to the BCC chain and check the things right there. Also, smart wallet will give you a bunch of options. You can see it right here, signals. It's truly cool, guys. You can see max 10x, what is happening, KL calls. So here you can see how it works. Smart wallet buy, definitely check it out. Trending is also right here. You can see the hype is very high right here, guys. Migration ratio is very low, which is showing us that there is accumulation, which is also cool. Top launch pad, so everything here is explained. You can see the trending tokens on the BCC chain, and we can see that for the last 24 hours how it works. So market cap is right here, top 10 holders, KL views. So by scrolling down, you can see there is a bunch of them for this token. It's about the celebrities, others, protocols, AI agents. So everything is also explained, the tag or what this project actually or meme token is, standby, or how it is implemented, what is the idea about the token. So you can see a bunch of signals from the Alph AI signals on Solana, which is great. Also, there is the same for the BCC token. So that's how great it is. Follow the steps, and guys, you have the tutorial right here. Telegram bot is also right here. Also, I want to show you their official X profile. To stay in touch with the project, to understand it better, I want from you to follow them on X, to check any useful tweet so you can see what is happening and how to participate and to stay updated. So guys, to wrap this up, Alph AI is redefining meme AI trading in 2025. It's lightning fast, data-driven, and built for real traders who want both speed and intelligence, as I mentioned. All the links will be in the description, guys. Give it a try, have that in mind. I think they are really cool. Let me know what results do you have in the comment section below. I would like to hear from you how it works. Are you good at trading or not? Do all the education that you need for trading. That's really important. And don't forget, it's a very catchy place, especially in the meme sections. If you found this video helpful, guys, please like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next video.